In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a page name on your Wix website. Whether you're enhancing your site's organization or updating its content, renaming a page is a simple process that can have a significant impact on your site's usability and SEO. So let's dive in and explore this straightforward modification. To get started, make sure you're logged into your Wix account and head over to the Wix website editor. From the main dashboard, locate My Site and click on it. This will open up the editor where all the magic happens. The editor is your command center, equipped with all the tools you need to build and customize your site. Once you're in, let's move on to the next step. Now look towards the upper area of the editor and you'll notice a page icon. This icon is crucial as it takes you to a list of all the pages you have on your website. Go ahead and click on this page icon. Doing so brings up a sidebar showcasing a hierarchical view of your site's pages, arranged neatly for easy access. Next, we need to identify the specific page whose name you intend to modify. Scroll through the list on the sidebar until you locate it. Once you've found the page, you'll see three dots usually aligned alongside the page name. Click on these three dots to reveal additional options tailored for page settings. These additional options are where the renaming feature resides. With the options menu now open, find the rename option and click on it. Selecting this choice will enable you to edit the page name directly. You'll see a text box where you can type in the new name for your page. Make sure your new page name is descriptive and relevant, as this can influence how search engines perceive and rank it. Adding concise and clear names can also benefit your site visitors, making navigation much easier. After you've typed in the desired new name, there's one final thing to remember. Saving your changes is crucial. Double check that you've spelled everything correctly and that it accurately reflects what you want users to see. When you're satisfied, click Done to apply the changes. This action confirms that your new page name is now part of your site's structure. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the name of a page on your Wix site. This simple update can lead to a more organized and user-friendly site, potentially boosting your site visibility and user engagement. Remember, keeping your site's content and structure up to date is important for maintaining a professional online presence. Thanks for watching today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more valuable Wix tips and tricks.